Okay guys, take a look at this. This is basically the leaderboard for the best AI video generators available right now. It ranks the top performing video generation models based on their overall quality. As you can see, Seedance 2 is currently sitting near the top of the leaderboard, and it's easy to understand why. It generates incredibly high-quality videos with realistic motion, stunning visuals, and cinematic results that rival the best AI models available today. Now, here's the exciting part. In this video, I'm going to show you two incredible tools. The first is a Chinese AI platform that lets you generate both images and videos with quality that's comparable to many of the top models on this leaderboard. But that's not all. I also found another platform that gives you access to Seedance 2 for completely free. On top of that, your free credits refresh every day, meaning you can keep generating amazing videos without paying each time. So make sure you watch until the end, because you're not gonna wanna miss out on this. So let's jump into the first tool. The first tool right here is Qwen AI. Now don't skip, because I will be showing you the tool's capabilities so you can know if this is a tool you want to try out. If you click on this plus icon, you get to see that you can upload images, videos, and audios. You can do research, and the tool can search across many sources and produce a more detailed, cited research report. It can generate images from text prompts. It can generate videos, and it can also generate websites. It can develop your websites for you using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And lastly, it can generate presentation slides like PowerPoint from a single prompt. There are also some additional features like learning tools, a travel planner, and more. But for today, we are going to be solely focused on the image and video generator. For the first thing, we are going to head over to the image generator, and I have a prompt that we could test out. As you can see, there are two different image models here for use. There is image 3 and 2. We are going to set the aspect ratio to 3:4. Then we are going to paste in the prompt and generate the image. Look at that image. It is clean and it is clear. You can generate a video once the image is done generating, and you can edit the image in case there is something you do not like. The image generation is extremely clear, which is amazing for a tool like this. Now, let us try another prompt. This one is about a satellite floating through outer space with the moon and some stars in the background. We are going to generate it with a different aspect ratio, then click Generate. The image generated is extremely clean and extremely clear. This tool does not use any sort of credits, and you can generate tons of images and videos with the tool, so I do advise you to check it out. Before we head over to the next tool, I want to test out the video generation. We are going to click Create Video, and I have another prompt right here. This prompt is meant to test how the tool can generate cinematic videos and how good it is at generating cinematic videos. I have pasted in the prompt, and I'm going to click Generate so the tool can start creating the video, so we can see how powerful the tool really is. The video is done generating, so let us take a look at it.
This is Agent Reed. I need extraction. Now.
Amazing. The tool was able to generate such a cinematic-looking video, and it was also able to generate the video with sound, which is something very difficult for most free AI tools to perform at this stage. I am going to try our last prompt on the tool. This is the last prompt, and we are going to paste it in. I just want to remind you that when you generate an image, you can then proceed to create a video out of that same image. You can edit it, you can do a lot of things, and also, when you generate a video, you can choose to publish and download it. Let us check the generated video. This is clean, absolutely beautiful, and with no glitches, no distortions, no weird morphing. This tool is one of the best tools for generating clean, remarkable content. Okay, so let's head over to the next tool. The last one I am going to show you is a tool called Dola AI. This tool does not use credits, but it is powerful and can generate videos with Seedance 2. We are going to click into it so I can show you how the tool works. As you can see in the dashboard below, you can create images, you can create writings, You can generate videos, you can translate, and you can use the tool for homework as well. It can also function as a chatbot, as you can see. Over here on the left-hand side, if you click on AI creation, you can see some of your AI creations, and you can also see some AI creations from other users, and it leaves the prompt out for you to try, which is very helpful. If you go over here to bots, you get to see something very interesting. There are tons of bots at your aid and assistance. The AI bots here that can help you in your work, in your education, and in creation. It can do a lot, and there are tons of bots that can really make your automation much easier. We are going to head over to new chats, and I am going to create an image. As you can see in the image generator, they have Seedream 5 Pro and they have Seedream 4.5. We are going to be using the highest model that they have. We are going to use 16:9 for the aspect ratio, and there are also different styles you could use, which is very nice. We are going to use the landscape style. And for templates, there are tons of templates to choose from, as you can see. I am going to put in the prompt. This is a simple prompt about an astronaut standing on a glowing crystal. The prompt has been set. The image model has been set. And I have also put in the aspect ratio. So now all that is left is to click generate. The image generated looks clean. It looks good. It looks crisp. Next, I am going to try out another prompt. I place the prompt into the tool, and now all that is left is to click generate. The tool generated the image exactly according to the prompt, and, as you can see, it is also putting in the text, which I also told it to do, so it has good text rendering in the tool. Next, let us head over to the video generator. I am going to paste in a simple prompt, and with this prompt, I am going to be choosing, as you can see, Seedance 2 is here, and it is free to use. Once that is done, you can also choose the duration the video should be generated in, and you can also choose the aspect ratio. Once that is done, I click on the Generate button. The video is generated, so let us click on it and check it out. As you can see, the tool also generated audio, which is great. This tool is extremely powerful for generating both images and videos, and it uses points. You can generate up to 2 or 3 videos per day depending on the particular model you are using for video generation, and the points reset every single day. Every new day you get new points, and you can generate more videos and more images with those points, so you are never left without credits, without points, to generate videos with every day. If you use the lesser model, which is Seedance 1, you get an even greater amount of videos generated because it uses fewer points. That is it for the video today. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you would subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.